Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Wrench, Ride, and Repeat. Today we're going to put the bearing back in that we took out on the last episode, and it should take about the same time. So stick with me here, and we'll get it installed. We got your adapter. So last time we just used the big kind of nut retractor, and it pulled the bearing out. This time we have to use the base plate, and it kind of fits right here, right, the way the curve of the case goes. So that helps line up the screws. And then here's the parts we're going to run in there. All right. Okay, so that goes on there like that. Here's our bearing, our new bearing. It comes, it's pretty dry, right? So we're going to put some assembly lube on it, and then we're going to lube the outside too to try and get that to slide in a little easier than not. So let's just get all the goopy goop here. And I probably should have mentioned this before I gooped the bearing up, but there's a flat side and a beveled side to the bearing, and it's very slight. Like this one, I can't barely tell it, but I know it's more beveled on this side, and that's the side that goes in first. Let me put that messy thing down for a second. All right. Now we're going to put the bearing on the end of the tool. Make sure I have my bevel side. Yep. Okay, and then if you can zoom in here, I'm going to start this thread. And I think I'm going to take that plate off the first time. Back on the engine. Word to the wise, it might be good to lube that bearing up with some gloves on and then take the gloves off and keep going. The tool's all set up, and now we're going to take it nice and easy and push it in until we feel some pressure. You got right here, can you see that? There's still just about a 1/16 of a lip sticking out, so we're going to have to push in just a little more. Yeah, and if you feel in there, you can feel where the bearing hasn't hit the back of the race yet. So back to the tool on there. Now I can see the lip of the bearing here, so we're going to keep pushing. All right, same as before, and it's probably only going to go in as far as that plunger is going to push it. So that's a pretty hard stop there. Let's check it again. It's always safe. Side. Now that looks a lot better. Okay, the bearing is flush with the case race, and I think that's ready. We might put a little more lube in there. Get in there close and zoom in shot if you would. Can you see it? Okay.
I think I can.
So the bearing's all in there nice, and I'm definitely going to put some more lube in there. But that's it for now, and I think next time we're going to look at this breather problem we found at the end of one of the other clips. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and share, and I'll see you next time on Wrench, Ride, Repeat.